Hello, my name is Chuck. Just bought this house here at 852 Cameron Avenue in Youngstown. It has been empty for quite a few years. And me and a friend of mine just bought it, and we have already started cleanup. As you can see, you could not even walk on this front porch before. Let's do a little walkthrough. This is the entry hall, which we already started cleaning up the debris that was throughout the rest of the home. Living room. This house is in not bad shape at all. It is merely mostly cosmetic and some TLC. And now the city is battling us, trying to tear it down. And we are fighting it every step of the way. We still have the swinging door that goes from the living room to the kitchen, still operates the way it should. This is a downstairs bedroom. See, not bad, just a little elbow grease and TLC. Let's go up the stairs here. Broken window right there that I boarded. They tried to steal the stack pipe for the bathroom. We have not begun work up here yet because the city wants the outside cleaned up. This is the bathroom, took the worst hit. But once it's all cleaned out, it's really not so bad. This is another bedroom. Just mostly elbow grease and TLC. You can buy these houses cheap in Youngstown. Good solid homes that just need a little TLC. Look at that woodwork. All the original woodwork, never been painted. You don't find that very much. The built-in in the hall. You don't find that in newer houses. But the city sent a letter wanting to demolish the house. Basically, for no good reason other than we are not millionaires. Back outside. You could not see the street from the porch before. You could not see anything. Look how nice the grass is now. Need to rebuild the porch steps. That was on the complaint. This is about to be hauled out. And this is all the stuff that I cut down from the front. Right here. And I started cutting down back here. My chainsaw gave out on me. Stacks of tires thrown throughout the yard. But the city wants to demolish a perfectly good, solid structure. And they seem to want to start bothering people who are actually trying to do something with their property. Because across the street we have that. And nothing is being done with it. But I bet they're not bothering that owner. But you could pretty much buy these houses pretty cheap and put a few thousand into them and own your own home flat out. Well, I appreciate you watching. There'll be more videos to come.